Hello YouTube, welcome to Fox Boss 9. We got a new truck here. We had a 2019 F250 extended cab long bed. I wanted the bigger engine, so I got a 7.3. This is a 2020, and I also got the 48-gallon tank with the crew cab. Some of the stuff that was on the 2019 F250 was no drill mud flaps that I installed, so I kept those off the old truck because the trucks are the same as far as that's concerned. And also this truck on the lot did not have the rear inner fenders, so I went ahead and took the ones off of the F250 because they retro, and there they sit. So I'm going to show you how to install these. Basically, if you order these, it's got a part number on here. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to click that link, it'll take you to them. Hopefully they still have them available, but that's the part number. These are symmetrical. There is no left and right. They are identical in both ways, and they're pretty easy to install once you get past a couple of things, and one of them is pulling these Christmas trees. This is all it takes to install those inner fender wells. Very easy to do. You got three what they call Christmas tree body plugs, body retainers, whatever you want to call them. Then you have these three clips that you have to have for some oblong holes. I'll show you those. And then of course these are the screws and the washers that go into this. Now I'm pretty darn sure if you order the kit that I put in the link that you'll get all this installation stuff. It's something that comes together because you have to install it. So basically the only holes you're going to use to mount this onto your truck is going to be this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, then 1, 2. Basically you've got 6 holes that you got to be concerned about and where they go. They use a combination of these clips and bolts and these push plugs to hold them in. So basically one hole is going to have a bolt, one hole is going to have a push plug. Same with the other side. One of the holes has a bolt, the other has a push plug. Same with the two inside ones. They're not difficult to get to, and if you go to the wrecking yard to remove these, it's best to reach on the back side with some long needle nose pliers and just squeeze them a little bit and they'll shoot right out. So pay attention where they're going. But reinstalling them, you got to know which holes these goes into. Very simple, really simple. They're going to be oblong holes. Again, the fact that I took these off of the original one makes it a little bit easier because I can tell looking at the back of the trail shield here, or the inner fender well, I can see where a clip was up against it, you know, like this. So I know that this hole here should be oblong up here, and if you look, it is. So this just pops right into place, just like that. Whoa, God, so hard, so hard. I also know that if I look on the back of this, you can see where the clip is been pushing right there. You can kind of see the silhouette of where it was pushing up against. So I know that's the lowest hole, and if you look in here, guess what? It's oblong. So again, we'll just push that clip in there, just like that. And then the same on the back. I already know, I don't have to look. So we'll go ahead and just push that in like that. Boom. So that's it. Those are the holes that those clips go into. You can see. Not a big deal, pretty straightforward. And then that one there. So this is the hole that's going to have a push tree in it, or whatever you want to call it. This is going to be the hole that has a push clip in it, and this is going to be the hole that has a push clip in it. Now how do I know? Because these are oblong, those are not. Those are round, so that's what will take them. Now as far as installing this, you just got to kind of muscle it up in there. Let me show you. Real simple to do, hopefully. Just kind of get it positioned and maybe start with the front side. that's it. Again, not difficult to do at all. You can see you got a hole line up here. You got one lined up here, and then you got lined what, you know, right there. So what I'm going to do is get those Christmas tree plugs and put them in the round holes, and then of course take the bolts and put them in where those clips are, and I'll be finished. So whenever you're installing them, that's all you got to be concerned with. This is what the bolts look like, and this is what the plugs look like, and you already seen the clips. Real simple to do. Makes it a lot easier. Keeps a lot more crap from up on the bed, or on the rails, and all the stuff that's involved, maybe the gas tank up on top of that. I'm not sure why they're not, you know, just included with everything. Of course, this truck did have the front ones already, which, if you guys don't know, even my 2019 was this way. These things are like a felt. I don't know how to describe them. They're a material. They clean really well, but they're a material of some kind. Kind of different. So keep an eye out. Maybe be doing modifications on this truck. I got a warranty on it. That's why I didn't do a lot on the 2019 except a bunch of add-ons. I already put a cap on here. I'm going to be putting a bed rug in, same one that I had in the 2019, because it's the same truck essentially. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, click like or subscribe, and just send me a message and comment and say, hey, I'm looking forward to seeing your 7.3 videos. I will be doing a towing video as soon as we're done with this lockdown. I don't know when you guys are watching this, but no campgrounds are open, so I can't go anywhere. That's kind of why I'm doing all this work out here. I appreciate it, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.